Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a Snapchat business account. I got curious about setting up a Snapchat business account recently, especially to explore ads and branding tools, and it's actually a pretty smooth process. I opened my browser and went to businesssnapchat.com, which is where everything starts. From there, you can either log in or create a new account. So I went ahead and signed up by entering basic details like my name, email, password, and birthday. After that, Snapchat asked me to choose a username, which is what people will use to find my account. So I'll pick on something clean and brand friendly. There's also an option to add a website and brand assets, which is useful if you're building a business presence, but I'll skip that for now. Once the account was created, I had the option to add a profile photo and bio, which helps make the page look more professional. After finished setting up, I was redirected to the dashboard where you can manage ads and campaigns. Honestly, it feels like unlocking a whole new side of Snapchat. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.